guys, this is Ghost Queen. So, I've been on a trip for a while now, probably about a week. I don't know, I have no sense of time right now. I'm really tired. I just got back and finished unpacking and finally had time to sit down and film this video. Now, I did post in my Instagram stories that I bought a bunch of surprise eggs and I could have made a video about that, but I'm kind of glad I didn't, because that just ended in complete and utter tragedy and everything sucked and I was absolutely miserable and my mom and brother were laughing at me as I was near tears while opening a bunch of chocolate eggs. If you want to know the details to that, let me know. I might make a video about what happened after that and show you the exact kind of tragedy I am talking about. But for now, let's keep our eyes on the doll we're going to be reviewing. That was all unscripted, by the way. So the doll we are unboxing is right in front of us right now. It's probably one of the bigger dolls that I have. You can kind of see my reflection. Yeah, so it is a Santoro London doll. It's from the Gorjuss collection, and her name is Ruby. I think she is adorable. I'm gonna take off the front cover because it's reflecting and distracting from the doll. So yeah, the front cover comes off quite easily, so that's pretty nice. The lens is gross. I'm gonna take care of that real quick. I don't film for a couple weeks and this is what happens to my camera. Alright, so yeah, this is what the doll looks like. She can be returned to her box and stored in it. She looks quite nice. She has a net over her head and she is rubber banded in place by one foot and also I think her neck. I don't think she's attached anywhere else. And she's already extremely detailed from what I can see. The reason why I got this doll is because of this here. It is made in Spain and she is also handmade, at least her clothes are, I believe. So, yeah, that's why I got her. Yeah. Let's stop saying yeah and move on. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I do have a henna tattoo right now. There was a stopover in Dubai on my way back, and that's where I got it. So yeah, don't mind that. It's probably going to be on me for the next couple videos if I do choose to show my hands in them. Wait, let's turn our attention back to the doll. She has this tag, elastic banded to her hand, and it basically says the same thing as the back of the box. I'm not going to read it, but go ahead and pause and read it if you want to. I will also put the website in the description below. It's quite nice to look at, and I saw a bunch of dolls that I also wanted. Unfortunately, they only had this one and a couple other kinds in the store that I went to, and it was the last day I had, so I had to pick one from there. But yeah, I am happy with this one though. So let's get a closer look at the doll. So as advertised, she is able to stand on her own, but because of the tablecloth creating an uneven surface, she can't stand up for very long. She actually fell over prior to filming this part of the video. But yeah, she is incredibly well made. She has a nice weight to her. She's kind of heavy. She has a bag and you can open it. There's some Velcro and you can put things inside of it. She has a 2-layer skirt and a pair of knit tights underneath, which is also nice. It adds some nice volume to her dress. And like I said, apparently the dress is handmade, so that's pretty nice. It's only gathered in the front though, which is okay. I don't think I'll be taking many pictures of her from the back. She also has a pair of shoes that can also be removed with Velcro. And yeah, they look quite nice. She has very soft hair and it looks like a dark sort of ash gray color rather than brown, which is what I initially thought it was. It's a very, very pretty color. And it's also very soft. And she doesn't have any box hair at all. the hairnet did its trick, and it's kept the sort of subtle wave at the bottom, and it's very nice. Once the box did mess up is the bow on her dress and also in her hair. They're a little bit messed up, but it's nothing I can't fix. Now, if you did pause to read the card from earlier, it does say she is scented with honeysuckle and rose, and I can smell it. It was pretty overpowering when I first opened the box, which was what kind of worried me, but it's not that bad once you take her out. The smell is mainly in her hair, and I kind of sniffed her dress and kind of things like that. It doesn't really smell that much. I feel like it's gonna wear off the more I have her outside of the box. Strangely enough though, the box doesn't smell at all. I stuck my head in it and I don't smell anything. So all the scent is in her hair. There's really not much to talk about. Yeah, other than the fact that I'm very pleased with this doll, and I really hope to have more from her collection because it's really nice. Like I said, I will link the website in the description below. I think it's a bit expensive to ship outside of Europe, but yeah, it's still a cute website to look at. I was looking at it all through my flight home, or not exactly the flight, but at the airport I was looking at it, and I was just like, oh, they're so cute, and my mom was like, hey, pay attention, we're boarding soon. She looks incredibly photogenic, and she looks like she'll match the dark greens and browns in the forest outside of my house. Unfortunately, it's the rainy season in Japan right now, so I don't really want to take her out there until that's over. Unfortunately, after that, it's going to get really, really hot outside. It's going to be like 30 to 40 degrees outside, so hopefully that's not going to mess her up too much if I don't take her out for too long. But yeah, for now, I'm going to be putting her on my display shelf, and I'll be putting her box away somewhere. I do want to keep it. I feel like it'll be nice to keep it. That was an incredibly short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I kind of felt like doing the Kinder Egg thing along with this video because I knew it was going to be short, but whoa! That would have been an incredibly disappointing video. That kind of scared me. Please don't fall over. I'm going to lay you down so you don't fall over again. So yeah, Kinder Eggs were very disappointing, so if you want to talk about disappointing Kinder Eggs, let me know. But for now, I think that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!